take a look now over downtown Grand Rapids, where we're seeing temperatures in the 70s.
Meteorologist Matt Kirkwood joins us with a look at our forecast. Hey there, Matt.
Yeah, crazy to see all that snow out there this time of year, obviously indicating how high they are in elevation. Right now, temperatures, most locations still in the 70s. You can see that 82 in Muskegon. There's a reason why they're 82. It's because they've received the most sunshine so far today. And quite a soaking. What we received last night was some heavy downpours with some showers and thunderstorms. Unfortunately, those thunderstorms are not severe, but certainly put down quite a bit of rain. Here's some of the specifics of that rain. Major metropolitan areas, Holland coming in at 1.8 inches, about 1.3 in Kalamazoo. Grand Rapids just under an inch, along with Muskegon. Battle Creek. It's crazy to see the difference between Battle Creek and Kalamazoo, considering how close they are together. And here's some other totals. Portage, actually 4 miles west of Portage, coming in at just under 3 inches. And Matawan, pretty impressive too, and Paw Paw, between 1 to 3 inch range there in around Kalamazoo. Here's the latest in the visible satellite loop. You can see that clearing most prevalent in Big Rapids over to Muskegon, the Fremont area, but still hanging on to clouds, especially towards South Haven, Grand Rapids, and points to the south. Naturally, we'll break these up. It's going to be a slow process, though. A lot of heat off to our south and west, and some of that's going to try to move into our southern counties today. Right now, temperatures range from about 82 in Muskegon, where most of that sunshine is right now, 77 in Grand Rapids, to right around 80 in the Benton Harbor area. And the National Weather Service, because that the heat along with the humidity, dew point temperatures, a little on the muggy side. We have feel-like readings now in the mid-80s in Benton Harbor. Right along Michigan-Indiana state line, there's a heat advisory out there. I'm a little skeptical on it. I'm not sure we're going to get to around 100 degrees down there, but certainly it's going to feel like at least in the 90s. All right, right on through Thursday, it's going to remain relatively humid, and then a cold front moves through Thursday, and that's going to bring in some really nice weather to finish out the work week on Friday, and it looks like it's going to last into the weekend. This is the breakdown with the Futurecast model. You can see right now. We'll clear those skies out a bit. Now, the big question is, where do the showers and thunderstorms form? Forecast models have them forming all over the place, but the most likely scenario is in around Chicago over to Milwaukee. And what happens once they develop? Will they make their way across the lake over to the Kalamazoo, South Haven, Benton Harbor? Well, some forecast models have that, some of them don't. Another round of showers and thunderstorms may form around the Minneapolis area, slide through Wisconsin, as you saw, and may move through tomorrow, something we'll have to keep an eye on. And it makes sense. We have a warm front kind of very close by. Area of low pressure then moves through on Thursday, giving us another chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Note that cold front moves through, and that is going to bring in that much more comfortable air mass. Now, in terms of severe weather, again, it looks like South Haven over towards the Three Rivers area, and we'll say Coldwater and points to the south. It kind of reminds me of yesterday's severe weather outlook. In terms of lake conditions out there, waves will gradually subside this afternoon, 1 to 3 feet. There's still some isolated 4-footers out there right now. Water temperatures, warm spot, South Haven, 72. Here's the 8-day forecast. And you can see the occasional chances of showers and thunderstorms out there. But look at really the nicest days this upcoming weekend, it looks like.
Always good to look forward to the next weekend.
Yeah, absolutely. More chances to be outside. Thanks, Matt.